From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
Showers and thunderstorms will be settling down over the next couple of hours with the loss of daytime heating, but staying partly to mostly cloudy overnight, and then showers and thunderstorms work back into the area starting in the morning hours of our Wednesday, becoming more numerous and likely as we head to the midday and the afternoon, dropping out the 70s into the upper 60s for a few of us overnight. Some of us may hang out in the lower 70s, and then we're back well up into the mid to upper 80s, if not near 90 degrees once again for our Wednesday, but some cooler air is on the way later in the week. There's a level 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather still in place for all of our area for Wednesday. It's a lower end threat. 1 is the lowest, 5 is the highest. We're at a level 1. Main threat, a few storms in the afternoon with gusty straight line winds, maybe some small hail, some isolated flooding. Tornadoes not expected, but with thunderstorms, we always expect the unexpected, so we'll be on guard just in case, but not expecting a tornado threat. Main time frame for strong thunderstorms in the afternoon, but there will be some rumblers and some rain around during the morning hours as well. Just the strongest storms more likely into the afternoon. Here's the Futurecast breakdown showing showers and thunderstorms from the evening, settling down deeper into the overnight. Still mostly cloudy as we get toward daybreak. Morning lows in the upper 60s, lower 70s, but notice during the morning hours, a few showers and thunderstorms popping up. Now, they may not be this widespread during the morning. Don't count on it being widespread, but likely a few showers and thunderstorms around at minimum. Chance it could be this widespread, and if that's the case, it may have a little bit of hindering factor on the afternoon. We'll watch that carefully, but the main threat of stronger thunderstorms is after lunchtime, coming down from the northwest ahead of a cold front through the afternoon to about sunset or so. We may have a couple different clusters of thunderstorms, and it's during this time frame, and again, it's the entire area we'll be watching. There could be a couple of thunderstorms that prompt severe thunderstorm warnings, for the main threats being gusty straight line winds, but some small hail, some vivid lightning, and some heavy rainfall expected as well. Those thunderstorms shift off to the south as we get closer to sunset, and then partly cloudy to mostly cloudy overnight as some slightly cooler and drier air moves in toward Thursday behind this cold front that will bring lower 80s as we get closer to the weekend. Here will be partly cloudy to mostly clear as we get into our Thursday afternoon with a northwest wind. Another upper level system swings in on Friday, so that may increase the cloud cover a little bit. Can't rule out a sprinkle, but I think that chance is 10% or less. I think any bigger rain chances Friday will be down to our south closer to the front, but mainly just the increase in cloud cover for Friday. And then clearing skies with time going into the weekend. I think this version of the Futurecast holding those clouds a little too long going to the weekend. I think we see increasing sunshine with drier air moving in. Upper 80s to maybe near 90 degrees for our Wednesday. Still mid to upper 80s for Thursday as that front settles into the area. But then going Friday into the weekend, we're back down to the low to mid 80s. Maybe over the weekend, a few folks only getting into the upper 70s. Morning lows in the lower 60s, if not the upper 50s. Some cooler and drier air is on the way. We're watching the tropics very carefully. We have Tropical Storm Lee out in the central Atlantic. It is increasing in organization. The latest advisory from this afternoon, we get another one at 10 p.m. local time, but it had maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour, moving west-northwest at 16 miles per hour, expected to become a hurricane later this week, and likely a major hurricane going to the weekend. The official forecast is for Category 4 north of the U.S. Virgin Islands and north of Puerto Rico over the weekend. However, I can't rule out it being stronger than Category 4. Right now, everything looks like a recurve off the East Coast, but we'll watch it carefully for you. I don't see any threat to the Gulf of Mexico from that storm system. A few showers and thunderstorms around during the morning hours. Morning lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and then showers and thunderstorms become increasingly likely into the midday and afternoon. And it's during this time frame, a few of those storms could be strong to possibly severe. Main threat, gusty straight line winds. Quiet weather as the front comes through on Thursday. And then partly cloudy skies going Friday into the weekend, and staying on the cooler side here, highs in the mid to lower 80s, if not upper 70s over the weekend, all the way into the first half of next week. There's the Look Your latest 7-day forecast. Kelly Rosson's in the Weather Center tomorrow morning with another check of your local weather.